Good morning.
What is this?
Well, with all the money we've been spending on our house payments, I haven't had the money to go to the grocery store.
I just got my paycheck Friday.
Money's been tight.
What happened to that job you applied to last week?
I haven't heard back from them yet.
Well, maybe you should.
Yo, Mr. Wet.
Who was that?
It was nothing, just a telemarketer. Donnie, we need to bake.
It wasn't me.
Hello? Hello?
So, you're the one who knocked.
Yeah, I just knocked.
So you're the one who knocks.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
Nothing, man. Get inside.
Everything's all here?
Yep.
The sugar,
Yep.
the batter,
Yep.
the eggs,
Yep.
the frosting.
Everything's all here, Mr. Witt.
Great. Let's begin.
I keep a rocket in my pocket, socket called a pocket rocket. If it's war, we ain't playing games. We get it started. I'm the man, clip it, keep 100. I'm a gunner. When it's beef, we ain't playing games. We hit you in your mama. Know that chopper, that's that oppa stopper. Hit you in your pop. I fell in love with all this money. You in love with drama. Say, baby, I'm not salsa baby, but I keep a long. I pull up in a new I8. You riding in a Honda. All these tattoos on my body. She say I'm a hottie. Why your girlfriend always wanna touch my body? We got all type of guys, might even have a time. I remember them days in the just to free my ride and free Chris though. Remember we was bouncing out with Fofo. Keep it solid in LA, I keep a clip though. Cause no, I can't be lacking in these streets, I keep a big pole. And I can't have no with me if they gon' snitch on that chopper, that's that oppa stopper. Hit you in your pot. I fell in love with all this money, you in love with drama. Say, baby, I'm not salsa baby, but I keep a long. I done pull up in a new I8, you riding in a Honda.
So, what do we do now?
We sell it, obviously.
Who's selling it?
Not me. You are gonna sell it.
We're supposed to be in this together.
It's not how this works. The market's huge right now. I know you'll have no problem finding customers. We'll split the profits.
Okay.
Really got to get going. You've got this under control. No, I'm on my way home now. I just got held up at work. Don't worry about it. I'll be home soon.
Yo, what's up? I was looking to see if you guys wanted to buy some
Some what?
some cake.
What kind of cake?
How do you like that?
Yo, this is pure. How much you want?
100 a cake.
How about 50?
How about 100? Yes, sir. Pleasure. Pleasure doing business.
This morning, our special dish visits a New Mexico bakery that started as a passion project and is now getting national recognition. Like a lot of Americans, middle class.
This news story is wild.
Huh, what's it about?
It's about that cupcake trade. You know how much those cake lords make?
Sure, it's a lot.
Well, yeah, but it's risky business. Some guy got caught, 60 years in prison. Something wrong?
No, nothing.
Well, I saw my baby walking with another man today. Well, I saw my baby walking with another man today. When I asked her what's the matter, this is what I heard her say. See you later, alligator.
I need the money.
See you later, alligator.
More. What do you mean more? I don't have more. Actually, man, you can keep it. It's on the house. Don't take my shoes. Come in.
So let me understand this. You lost all of our product and all of our money?
What was I supposed to do? They gang jumped me.
How did this even happen?
Well, maybe if you helped me out, it wouldn't have happened.
We need a better way to sell our product.
Such as how?
Such as a man, a businessman, a distributor.
A distributor.
Yeah.
I think I know a guy.
Call him.
One sec. Yo, Nine Ball, what's up, bro? What's up?
We still
What do you-
talk about the money?
What do you mean about the... Listen, I'm gonna get you the money.
Oh,
I'm gonna get you the money. Don't worry about that right now. I got a hot new product on the market. Hella cake.
Okay.
Good cake. Blue cake. Homemade batter. Made by me and my own partner. And it's all yours.
I don't know, man.
100 a
Not
cake. Give me a call, man.
Okay.
I need you to set me up with your man.
I will, maybe. But there.
Well,
Well, I think we've got ourselves a chance.
Hey, what's good, boss? Hope I'm not intruding.
No, you're good. What's up?
What are you looking at?
Just a new case we've been working on. There's a new formula. I mean, probably some new supplier in the area or something. It's got out those junkies. Pure sugar, honestly. I mean, some kind of mad scientist made it.
Or a Matt Baker.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm head out.
Alright, so.
Hey, we're still good for lunch later, right?
Yeah, but you're buying.
We're here to see Spadano.
I heard you guys had a product for me.
Yes, sir.
Before we start, I'll let you boys know how to run things around here. I run a tight ship around here. Cake deals are done without an issue. I always get my money, and I get 50% of the profits.
50%? We can't do that.
Yeah, sorry, man. I don't think that's gonna work.
Well, how else are things supposed to work? My services are very beneficial. My men are highly trained to be in and out. I don't think you could do this without me.
Well, When it comes to 50% of our profit, I think we're better off surviving on our own. How's 30 sound?
30%? That's insulting!
Well, then I guess we can just take our business elsewhere. No more, please.
Stop! Don't make any decisions until you taste our product.
Well, I guess I should. Don't think a little cake will change my decision.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba.
Wow! You two! Your product's amazing!
So you think you can do 30%?
30%? I can do 20%! You guys keep bringing in this product! Come on guys, bring it in! Whoa!
Yo, come on, man. We're about to start getting some real money.
You sure you're so confident about this guy?
Yeah, he's like the king of cake.
Seems like he's out of his mind to me.
Listen, this guy knows his stuff and he's gonna get our stuff sold. In this business, we need friends, and I'd rather have him on our side than as an enemy. This business gets dangerous.
That's what my dogs in the nighttime. Trap with the chickens like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just trying to get it, I ain't trying to die. She got a big ol' onion bullet, make the world cry.
Spadurno wants us to have 10 whole batches by Monday. How does he expect us to do that?
Well, we do what we do best. Be big.
Gold, fashion, shows, trap, house, made it, gold. Control the bag now, no need to brag now. Hey, put the mask down, we living fast now. Finest, rose, weekend, gold, coast, keep watching me with Bob, still keep real and fame. Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry.
What's that?
It's, just some supplies from work.
Well, I found a good amount of money in one of your drawers today by accident. What's that about?
Oh, I got a raise at work recently. I wanted to make it a surprise.
You've been going out a lot recently. Are you hiding anything from me?
What? No. I've had a pretty long day. I think I'm gonna go to bed now.
Well, we got more information on that cupcake case. Our culprit, we knew he had dealers, but he has more dealers now, and it's the same blue stuff we found a few weeks ago from those junkies. He looks like our guy. Well, I mean, we're right. Spadurno's behind this, but my suspicion is that he's a lot closer than we think he is.
If we solve this, we'll be heroes.
I mean, you're right. The only question is if I were a suspicious cake-selling crime lord, where would I be hiding?
One of their customers snitched to an officer. You can find him here.
Well, I'm ready when you are.
3, 2, 1.
FDA, put your hands in the air!
Okay, Mr. Spadurno, surrender your illegal cupcakes. You're coming with me. How do you even make these?
I don't even make them. I'm just the distributor.
Then who does?
I don't know their names. I just do business with them.
Tell them you want them here, and you will cooperate if you don't want to spend the rest of your life in prison, alright? Let's go.
Looks like I need to go into work. We're really short-staffed.
Really? It's a Saturday.
You know how busy it is.
Hello?
Spadurno wants us to meet him at his office now.
Yeah, man, I can't right now. I got a doctor's appointment.
So you're just gonna put the business on the line like that?
I'm, really sick.
FDA, put your hands in the air!
Pick up! Pick up! Hello? Hello? Donnie, I need you to pick me up now. It was a setup by the police. Hello? Hello? Say something. Dang it.
Mr. Witt, you're coming with me.
Sir, you have another call coming in from the state prison again, from a Mr. Witt. Do you want me to get the phone for you?
Why don't you just let it ring?
I know it had a long day today, but let's leave all that stress behind. Who cares what they say? Come grab our friend, we gonna rock it tonight. People will play the games they play, but I promise everything will be alright. So let them mash up some roots reggae. Mash it up. Good vibes tonight, set the fire alight. It's a new day from a long rock and sway. To roll our troubles away. Nothing but good vibes tonight. Yeah. Yes, it's a new day. It's a new day from a long rock and sway. To roll our troubles away. Nothing but good vibes tonight. Yeah. I know that love is true. By the way you make me feel, it's the simple things that you do. You make everything feel so real. And every time I'm feeling blue, you pick me up and make me feel so nice.
Mr. Witt, you seem to have a lawyer waiting outside. That guy from TV, Paul Badman. Does that name mean anything to you?
I'll be right out.